In the wake of food scandals and environmental crises, public trust collapsed. Cities grew crowded, noisy, disconnected from nature and community. Seeking safety, health, and purpose, people began to return to rural roots, driven by a desire for something more grounded. By 2050, Europe's countryside thrives. Local economies flourish with sustainable farming, small-scale production, and a return to shared values. Digital tools and remote work empower rural innovation, connecting even the most remote places to the wider world. Short food chains, artisanal goods, and regional pride replace long, fragile supply lines. People know their farmers and trust their food. Nature returns to rural life. Forests are cared for not just for timber, but for water, shade, and biodiversity. Protected areas expand, though debates remain about how to share them. Formal payments for ecosystem services remain limited. Trust in large programs is cautious, and many rural people prefer practical, familiar ways of stewarding the land. Instead, informal PES schemes take root. Small-scale, community-led efforts where benefits are direct, visible, and shared. Strong local governance, supported by targeted training and funding, helps overcome early barriers, turning grassroots ambition into real, lasting change. Rural revival isn't just a return to the past, it's a rediscovery of balance, care, and connection, a future grown from the ground up.